Hi there, welcome to English 101. This video lecture is going to show you how this course is organized. Every Monday, I will post an announcement that will outline the expectations for the week. You can notice the announcement is located right here. Most of your time will be spent in course content, which is located up here. Get familiar with the entire tab area up here. If you want to send me any messages or any emails, your best bet to do it is through Brightspace itself, and you'll notice the email tab is located right here. So all emails should go through Brightspace if possible, okay? So let's go into the course content. This is where most of your content for the course is located and where you will be spending the most time. So you can see, first you have the Welcome Start Here tab. Go through that, look through the preview week, watch the video lectures for English 101. You also want to check on the course information tab. You have the course information sheet located right here. Course overview, how the course will be organized, the outcomes, and other things that you need. You do not have to get any required textbooks for this class. Everything will be online, so everything will be free, okay? Some other things you might want to consider is looking at the My Instructor tab. Just a little bit of information about me, your instructor. My name is Professor Jacob Bodway. But again, most of your time will be spent in the content course week by week, okay? So you'll go to course content, and you'll notice we have the schedule in weeks, okay? Week 1, week 2, week 3, etc. So if you click on week 1, we have it into separate days, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, all the way through Friday. So this course, you want to work through the class day by day, week by week. Do not get ahead of yourself. Trust me, there's plenty of information packed into each day because we're trying to squeeze a 15-week course into a 5-week course. So we have plenty of work to do each day. If you start working ahead, you're going to end up getting yourself in trouble, so to speak, because you'll get tripped up on the assignments. It's important that you take it one assignment at a time. That sequence, what we call scaffolding, will help you succeed in this course. You also have a What's Due When tab right here on the left. I strongly encourage you to look this over, open in a new tab, and maybe print this off or save it to your computer. This gives you the entire schedule for the summer. Again, work through it 1 week, 1 day at a time, okay? If you have questions, again, you want to email me through Brightspace, and that's located up here. I will have office hours every Wednesday from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. I will have a Zoom link located above the weekly announcement for Wednesday's office hours. I look forward to working with all of you. Key to success in this class is to take your time, work day by day, and follow the directions. Following the directions will be your key to an A in this class. Make sure you complete all the work. And if you have any questions, I'm happy to help you out. Whatever you need, I'm here to help you. You just need to reach out and I'll set up a Zoom appointment with you and we can discuss any questions that you have. Have a great summer session. I look forward to working with all of you. Take care.